and the basis for detention. So, what is the law and what is the crime that I committed? To me now, the legal basis for my being here, as apparently I was brought here not of my own volition. If somebody else says, kung hindi ibang tao, ikaw siguro, because this is your structure. So you have to answer now for the deprivation of liberty.
General naman kayo. Alam naman na hindi man lang siya na-serve kung anong kaso pinag-charge sa kanya ngayon. Hindi niya alam. No?
Kahit na PI man lang.
Alam mo, ang charge sa kanya nasa dyaryo na.
Now ito isang controversial na opinion. This will probably bite me in the ass in the future. And I believe Duterte should face the families of innocent victims killed amidst his war on drug campaign and extrajudicial killings, but here it is. Any Filipino accused of crimes against Filipinos, claiming that if those crimes are not unfounded, he did it for Filipinos, out of power, squabbling against the ruling dominant political family, should be tried in a Filipino court, judged by a Filipino judge, cross-examined by a Filipino prosecutor, in Filipino land, in front of the Filipino public.